Customize indexed color tables. Customize indexed color tables. How to customize indexed color tables? The color table command lets you make changes, by the way, to the color table of an indexed color image, and these customization features are particularly useful with images and images displaying variations in gray levels with color rather than shades of gray, and often used in significant and medical applications. However, customizing the color table can also produce special effects with indexed color images that have a limited number of colors. Note and be careful to shift color simply in the image. Choose image then adjustment and use the color adjustment command in the submenu. And how to edit colors and assign transparency with a color table. You can edit colors in the color table to produce special effects or assign transparency in the image to a single color in the table. And we have steps here now. Step number 1. Open the indexed color image, then choose image, then choose mid, then choose color table. Step number 3. To change a single color, click the color and choose a new color in the color picker. Step number 4. To change a range of colors, drag in the table. To choose the range of colors you want to change in the color picker, choose the first color you want in the range, then click OK. And when the color picker redisplays, choose the last color you want in the range and click OK. And the colors you selected in the color picker are placed in the range you selected in the color table dialog box, by the way. Step number 5. To assign transparency to a color, select the eyedropper tool in the color table dialog box, then and click the color in the table or in the image, and the sampled color is replaced with transparency in the image. And number 6, click OK and in the color table dialog box to apply the new colors to the indexed color image. And how to choose predefined color table. How to choose a predefined color table? We have steps again. Step number 1. You should to open the indexed color image, then do one of the following. Choose image, then select mode, then select color table. And choose image, then select mode again, then indexed color table. And in the indexed color dialog box, by the way, choose custom from the panel pop-up menu. And this opens the color table dialog box anyway. Step number 3. In the color table dialog box, choose a predefined table from the table menu, and then we have options. Option number 1, we have a custom. What about the custom? Custom is meaning creates a palette you specify. And we have another option, black body. Black body is meaning displays a palette based on the different colors, and a black body radiator image as it's heated from black to red and orange and yellow and white. And what about grayscale? Grayscale is meaning displays a palette based on 256 levels of gray from black to white. What about spectrum? Spectrum is meaning that displays a palette based on the colors produced as white light passes through a prism from violet, blue and green to yellow or orange and red. So what about system? If you use Mac operating system, displays the standard Mac OS 256 color system palette. And if you use system on Windows, displays the standard Windows 256 also color system palette. How to save and load color tables. You use the save and load buttons in the color table dialog box to save your indexed color tables for use with other Adobe Photoshop images. And after you load a color table into an image, the colors, by the way, in the image change to reflect the color positions they reference in the new color table. Note and be careful please here now. You can also load saved color tables into the switches panel, by the way.